Hello and welcome, Stock Tech Info. Hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, detailing about how to live debt-free, 10 simple mindset shifts. So before I start my video, please subscribe my channel. How to live debt-free, 10 simple mindset shift. Debt is a heavy weight and it seems to be crushing everyone. To the average American has between $85,169 and $1,702 in debt handling over them, and most people don't think that getting out of debt is even possible. In one survey, 48% of people reported losing sleep because of the stress caused by in their debt. On the other hand, there are people who are living their debt free. There are others who are only have debt in the forms or some unavoidable home loans or car loans and student loans. For this article, we will focus on debt outside for choose three common necessities. My husband, I are 100% debt free and has been since my husband's car was paid off in 2020. We will most likely continue to live debt free until we have to buy another car. We decided to buy a home. Why can I say that so confidently? Simply put it, because we have some very solid debt free living habits, and why I am going to share with you today. Why should you live debt free? First of all, why should we live debt free? To some, these questions may seem odd. Of course, we would all like to live without debt, but still, in our consumer society, it seems so instantaneous and normal that it may seem like an unachievable goal that we should not even bother trying. It is that very mentality that can get us in really big trouble. There thoughts you may think I already have to mountain of student and depth of mortgage of by worry other forms of debt. A lots of people today live with your financial mindset and other can afford whatever they can make the minimum monthly payment. So on that means they run up their credit card, buy really fancy new car, always the latest iPhone and so forth. The scary things about leaving a payments budget is that choose payments or debt you have to make choose payment come rain or shine. I think we all learned about how fast the rains can run during the pandemics. If you suddenly lose your jobs tomorrow, what will you do with all choose payment? On the other hand, when you try to avoid debt as much as possible, you not only give yourself fewer payment to worry about, you also put yourself in the financial positions to start paying off choose bigger debt a little faster. You will never find chance to save money, big important things, and even bigger funner adventures. Treat credit like cash. The first tip that has helped my husband and I stay out of debt into treat credit like cash. That means they don't look at a credit card, see how high the limit is, and try to your best to hit it every month. When you do that, you will accrue a massive amount of credit card debt, which leads to paying high interest rate and digging yourself into a deeper and deeper hole each month. Instead, when you treat your credit like cash, you don't spend more than you know you can pay off each month. My husband and I buy almost everything on your credit card because we collect points, but we never spend more than we know we can pay off at the end of the month. One choose odd months we takes a big trip or an unexpected expense that makes the it's us spend or more than as unusual or credit cards that still paid off my bank money from our savings. If you want to live debt free, you have to stop credit and debt making pay off every single month and never every pay interest. Staying off a credit cards and one of the most practical life skills that will should definitely learns early. Know your expenses. Speaking of credit cards, do you have any requiring charges setups? Do you know exactly what they are and how much they are? One of the sneakiest way we spend money these days is enough subscription. Make sure you take the time to know exactly what subscriptions you are paying for each month, and occasionally drop service you are using. Also, when considering a new streaming service or other subscription, think about whether you're not it will really to be worth it. Pro tip: will Black is the Friday great times to find all the shorts and subscription and services on sale. Make sure you cancel before your price and you should back up. Subscriptions weren't that the only things you should watch, and thoughts you need to know all your expenses all the time. Keep an eye on your utilities, the amount gas put in your car every month, and need even the grocery bill. Be aware that every new vehicle you buy requires monthly insurance. You have to pay property taxes on your home. All these things add up, and not being accurately aware of every single expenses is how debt takes us over. Treat yourself, but do it less often. When you want to live debt free, you can't always get what you want. That should not surprise, but what does it really mean? Well, while it's great to treat yourself once a while, it's important to keep choose treat, especially if you treat yourself every single day is able to treat anymore. Think about is the way trending yourself out at Starbucks coffee every day at $5 a day. A modest estimate will add up to $150 a month. Going the lunch every work day at $10 each time will add up to 200 month. Going to dinners with your others half at $40 twice a week will end up costing your $320 a month. Getting your nails done for $40 twice a month will cost getting $80. Getting a cute top of another little goodies for $15 every time you make the target run. Well, you get the point. Our lives are super duper stressful, and we have all wanted to buy something pretty or get sometimes tasty, make ourselves feel better. When we treat ourselves all the time, we take the special away, and we spending ton of money, and we really don't need to waste spending. Be a careful shopper. Speaking of treating yourself, how do you shop? Do you make Target rules and late night Amazon or Temu orders and other impulsive purchase on a regular basis? When I look back all the money I could have saved instead of buying junk I did not need, it make me see me the anger and twist with regret. Why did I steal yours from myself? Whether weathers and that we all need shops that will want to live depth and free up. You're going to need to become more careful shoppers. Ask questions before buy anything. Do your research wait for the right things is cheats of settling or less and save money or by not spending it. But don't fall it's the sales of the other retails, clicks, stores, and more than your needs. Instead, try to slow shoppings where you buy and actually contribute your life. Avoid trends and competition. Something that people who stay out of debt all have is common is that do not fall for trends or competition. In short, they aren't worried about keeping up in the Japanese or looking cool all the time. When you find yourself wanting to a fancy new car or the latest iPhone, ask yourself in the car or phone you have actually had done working for you. Is looking cool and having the latest really worth the payment and the extra work and stress that the payment bring with it? You might just find that the world rather stay out of debt. I can personally attest the fact that nobody has ever made of a used car of my phone choose status symbols, status commercial on a society make us feel uniquely really don't make us much of an impact on how people view us. Try no spend days. All of this talk about shopping more careful and avoiding trendy status symbols may be a major mental shift for you. Do you have shopping addictions? Do you go shopping for fun? How can you reset your spending habits? I recommended trying to have 10 no spend days on a month. One unlike to no spends month and low speed months everywhere only buy you absolute necessities on your one no spends days. You won't spend any money on anything but the rest of the month you can do as you please. On your 10 no spend days will not buy coffee or lunch or groceries or even guess these teachers you meet the joy plan ahead makes coffee at home, pick a lunch and make dinner with the ingredients you already have at home. When you do 10 no spend days every single monthly, you not only save money, you are also train yourself to be more self-sufficient and resilient while reshaping your relations with spending. Life debt free by making saving a priority. Another key to debt free living is money saving mentality instead of thinking about how much you can buy, how much your efforts and should makes saving money. Putting money is your in saving account that the top priorities. You might try putting a set amount of money is saving as soon as you get paid. That has many built their savings. Whether they have extra money saved from your tax return or a work bonus, put it the saving instead of looking to splurge. When you do have to buy some things like a car that will requires a payment, try to get as low a payment possible instead of the biggest no one you can afford. If you can pay off a debt, do it and keep paying off the same monthly amount into saving. It's possible save up for big purchases instead of having a payment at all. Making saving a priority is important for everyone by because we don't just want to have a debt free life now. We want to stay out of debt and means being ready to for the expected. Having some saving now helps you feel more secure. A perk of savings India's also allows you can take fun trips then enjoy the special opportunities when they come up. Know when to go for the payment. This general, my husband and I avoid payments like the pleasures. After all, the debt-free life means having no debt, no payments. And that being said, and some debt is going to be happens once the while the sometimes actually wise to go for the payment. I would say the truth to free three specific circumstances. First of all, when you are facing a large medical bills not covered by insurance, you should always set up the lowest monthly payments plans that will allow us during our marriage. We have had the few differences hospitals bills with no insurance, and setting up the slowest payments plans allowed us to avoid lots of unnecessary stress. Also, our bills are discreetly reduced when the hospital wanted to close out open accounts. The last things you should do when paying for medical bills, input them to a credit card or get a loan. Do not do it. Work with the hospital or doctor office for a slowest and lowest payment plan possible. Interest pay free. Another situation which you should the payments in the outrage purchase will pipe out savings the better, and to have little savings that have no payments it's also be good for you. Carry to have a list the card under your belts. It's absolutely crazy, but the good credits you have to have pains in depth at some points in your life. But last but not least, you should accept the payment not important life investment. If this may include students loans, thoughts that should still be carefully considered, and it can also include home loans because home ownerships can be good investment as well as a necessity life under your months. You might be have noticed your by now the key to adapt free life too is to not buy stuff when you don't have money. Also we have to not stop by just because you have this money seems pretty simple, right? Still it's completely contextual in our consumer society. We are always supposed to show your success, and we stuff, and whenever we have more likely money and get bigger beggars stuff or show the usually and spends money, and the big tops of do that, but want if live not just within your means but under your message. But if your God's rights rise at work, but you did not move to a bigger apartments to buy a new car and could the where last year closed the world be killed. Okay, do skips the phone upgrades once a while. Whenever you are living under your means, savings money or savings money is how get to depth and stay off depth. My husband is the constantly the tries to minimalist life cycles. How can a less want to you unhappy? Absolutely not. Millions of people are the minimalist life cycle are finding that the happy simple life is just right up there. I have readers for every corners for a globes at first, and countries like the US and the more depressed nations to all of choose people are finding a minimalist life cycle is a belief for from the precious from a consumer society. When you adopt the minimalist life cycle, your opens and importance to the let's go of the everything that distract you from it. The learn that having stuff and spending money is not equal success or even happiness. The minimalist life cycle still dreams to you the enjoy the depth free limits free living. I hope this articles help to you to consider, help to change your make the depth free. As I said outside some depth, if you would like to simplify your life and minimalism but you don't know where to start, grab my ebook double simplicity is doable simplicity minimalism for normal people. Share practical actions step to simply for home your chores and schedule so you can refocus your life on what really matter to you. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and take care. Bye.